Are you tired of digging through piles of sheets just to find exactly what you need? Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this 4-pack bed sheet organizer from KitHero has honestly taken my at-home organization to a whole new level. I love how it keeps each full sheet set together, which means no more searching for pillowcases or the right fitted sheets. Everything stays neat, tidy, and it actually saves so much space in my closet. You can also use these to store duvet covers, blankets, and even towels. The structure is really sturdy, so it holds its shape and keeps everything looking clean and organized. Plus, the label window makes it super easy to quickly find exactly what you need without having to make a mess. And it's so easy to assemble, which is always a bonus. It comes with 4 storage organizers, dual zippers on each organizers for easy access, and also labels, which makes it so easy to identify each storage box. And it also has handles, which makes it so easy to carry each box. So if you're like me and love staying organized and want your home to feel a little less chaotic, then these organizers are a must-have. And that's my point of view.